Hello and Kardom to all my lovely people. Hi, my name is Rupali Timung, your former Miss Karbi Anglong 2020. And I'm very excited to announce that the Kajaronghangpi Memorial Talent Hunt Society, in association with Spark Ultimate Fire, they are going to organize the second Mr. Karbi Anglong and the sixth Miss Karbi Anglong 2021, including the kids and misses as well. So this is a very great platform for anyone interested in the field of modeling and pageantry. So grab the chance, don't miss the opportunity, and get the chance to win exciting prize and gifts. And let me tell you, the three winners will get direct entry to Mr. and Miss Assam 2022. And the audition for Mr. and Miss Karbi Anglong will be held on 12th of December at the Karbi People Hall, Taralangso. The registration process is going on, so anyone interested can register yourself till the 5th of December, as 5th of December is the last date for registration. So take the chance, maybe who knows, you are the next one to shine. So till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you all.